Want to seamlessly open web links from your SwiftUI app? I'll show you how to make it happen. No fuss or no hassle. All you have to do is to create a new SwiftUI file. But before we do that, this is the app that we'll be creating. The app enables any amount of links to be displayed on the view, and if we click on the link, for example the website link, we navigate to the website irisinsights.co.uk. Click on the other link, which is for YouTube. Navigate to the YouTube channel. And then the final link is the Patreon. I'll do that again. And it navigates to the patreon.com. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new file. Select SwiftUI view as a file type. Name the file form row link view. The next thing we need to do is add 3 variables: var icon string. The purpose of that variable is to hold the name of the system icon from SF symbols to be displayed within the row. Var color which is color. Var text and the purpose of the text variable is to display the actual name of the link for the icon. And the next variable we need is the actual link. And this variable stores the actual URL for the link that the user will be redirected to when they tap on the button. We can delete our preview. And then on line 21, we can delete the text element. We need a H stack, a Z stack, a rounded rectangle, corner radius style of 8. Style continuous. So the purpose of line 25, it creates a rounded rectangle with a continuous corner radius. Fill color. And that fills the color. That fills the rectangle with the specified color. Image, system, name, icon. and that will display the system image icon inside the Z stack. Image scale dot large. Foreground color for the image, which is white. Next thing we need to do is to set the frame, height and width of the Z stack. Alignment, center. Text, foreground color dot gray. And the purpose of line 34 is to display the text next to the icon and set its color to gray. Spacer. So the purpose of that spacer is to push the button to the far right of the H stack. So we'll create the button now. The button has the action that will enable the navigation of the web link. Guard let URL equals to URL. Convert it to a string, self.link. The link contains the destination address that we want the process to navigate to. UI application shared can open URL. So we try to open the URL. If the URL cannot be opened, then it just returns here. Else, it will hit line 46 and attempt to open the URL. URL as URL. Image, system name, chevron dot right, dot font, dot system, size 14, weight, semi-bold, design, dot round, dot rounded. And the purpose of line 51 is to customize the font size and style of the chevron, giving it a rounded semi-bowed appearance. So the next thing we need to do is to set the color of the button to system grey, and we do that after line 52. System grey to. Now let's just compile it. Cannot find the content view. Oh, something's wrong with my content view. Let me delete the content view and add it again so that I can compile it. Try it again. It's compiled. So in next week's tutorial we will implement the content view. So the content view will be using the form row link view. If you like the tutorial, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week. Want to seamlessly open web links from your SwiftUI app? I'll show you how to make it happen. No fuss or no hassle. All you have to do is to create a new SwiftUI file. But before we do that, this is the app that we'll be creating. The app enables any amount of links to be displayed on the view, and if we click on the link, for example the website link, we navigate to the website irisinsights.co.uk. Click on the other link, which is for YouTube. Navigate to the YouTube channel. And then the final link is the Patreon. I'll do that again. And it navigates to the patreon.com. We will now call our form row link view from our content view to enable the user to navigate to different websites. So in your content view, add the following. Navigation view, VStack, alignment, center, spacing, 0. Next thing we will add is a form. The form has a section, header, and the name of the text for the section header is follow us on social media. The next thing we need to do is to call our form row link view, and then we add our icons, which is the globe and the color pink, and the text, website, and the URL for the website is https iosinsights.co.uk, and then I'll just copy what I just done. So I'll just create another form row link view to add another link. So this link will be for YouTube, but the icon is called play.rectangle, color blue, the text, YouTube, the URL is www.youtube.com @iOS-insights. And then the final row you need to create is called Patron. So the icon will be link, color green, text, Patron, and the URL https patreon.com/iOS insights shop. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to delete that text element on line 30. After line 26, we add a bit of padding, dot vertical 3. And then we add the list style to be a group list style. We can delete our preview. And then I think we're missing a bracket somewhere. The expected bracket. It should be there. Now I'll just compile it. See if it works. Now let's see if it navigates to the website. Yes, it does. See if it navigates to YouTube. Yes. And then the Patreon. Let me do that again. Yes, it works. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.